Installing drywall can be a complicated process. There are a lot of steps that you must do right. This video looks at the steps involved in drywall installation. You can visit our website and read the full article for more details. First, here's a list of tools and materials that you should prepare. The first thing you should do before installing drywall is prepare the substrate. To prepare, make sure there are no screws or nails sticking out of your studs. Next, you should check the ceiling and make sure it is completely level. If your ceiling is not level, there are ways to correct it. You can install strappings to the joists and attach the drywall to the strappings. To have the perfect drywall installation, you should first plan the job on paper. You want to know how? We've put all the necessary measurements on our website. Read it before installing your drywall. The next step is to cut the drywall panels to size in a way so that you have nice, clean edges. Cut one piece of drywall at a time. Install that piece, then move on to the next piece. By doing one piece at a time, you can make modifications along the way to ensure each piece fits properly in place. Now that you have prepared everything, begin installing the drywall to the walls and ceiling. Before installing each panel, remember to measure and mark the areas on the panel where the lights, vents, outlets, and any other openings are. These areas will be cut out after the panels are installed. Installing the ceiling drywall should be done prior to the walls. Now there is a specific instructions on how to attach drywalls properly that we gathered on our website. Check it out. When you are done installing all the drywall, it is time to create cutouts for outlets, vents, lights, electrical boxes, and any other necessary holes. Now that the drywall installation is complete, the next step is to tape and spackle the seams. This process joins the pieces of drywall into a single solid wall and makes a physical connection between each drywall sheet. Installing drywall can be challenging. Matrix Company Solutions Corp. is a certified contractor in the Philadelphia area that provides professional home renovation services. If you want to be sure that you get the drywall results you are looking for, leave this job to the experts at Matrix. Give us a call for a free consultation.